Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to improve file search with Listary on Windows in this complete 2026 guide. If you want to find files and folders faster, improve search accuracy, and boost your productivity, this tutorial will help you get the best performance from Listary. Let's get started. First, make sure you're using the latest version of Listary. New updates often improve search speed, fix bugs, and add support for the latest versions of Windows. If you're using an older version, update it before changing any settings. Next, open Listary and go to *settings*. Review your search preferences and make sure the folders and drives you frequently use are included in Listary's search. If important folders are excluded, Listary won't be able to find files stored in those locations. You can also organize your files into clearly named folders and use descriptive file names. This makes it much easier for Listary to locate the files you're looking for. Avoid using vague names if you want faster and more accurate search results. Another useful tip is to use keywords instead of typing the entire file name. Listary is designed to quickly match partial names, making it easier to locate files even if you don't remember the exact title. If you notice slower search performance, restart Listary or restart your computer to refresh background services. Also, keep your Windows system updated to ensure the best compatibility and performance. Finally, take a few minutes to explore Listary settings and customize features based on your workflow. Small adjustments can make searching much faster and more efficient, and that's how you can improve file search with Listary on Windows in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.